Welcome friends, welcome to this post-gate counseling session. So we are conducting a lot of post-gate counseling session for the students who have appeared for GATE 2026 and they have qualified and they have obtained marks and score by which they can get admitted to the IITs and NITs and into the M.Tech programs of all these NITs and IITs. So today we are going to see some of the newer IITs. Okay, so we are going to see about your IIT Guwahati. Guwahati is an old IIT. Sorry, pardon me. Indore is relatively new, and even Dharwad is quite new. So we'll see that what scores are needed for admission into these IITs. So first of all, let us start with your, give me 1 minute. Okay, yeah. So let us start with IIT Guwahati. This you can include it in old IIT, but not that old. But yes, it is old, like less old compared to IIT Delhi or IIT Madras or IIT Kharagpur or IIT Bombay, all of those. But yes, relatively older than the other new IITs like Indore, Dharwad, Tirupati and all. So the application portal will be opening, already opened March 20 and will be there till April 10th, so you can apply. So eligibility is very similar to other IITs. Okay. Now coming to these are the fees. You can see. You guys can also take a screenshot, or this is also available on internet about their fee structures. Okay. So stipend and all are mentioned over here. Now coming to the most important thing, that is the cutoff, right? Coming to the most important thing, that is cutoff. So you can see that for different specializations, like specializations in computer science, electronics, mechanical, civil, biotech, the cutoffs are mentioned, the general and then EWS, OBC, SC, ST cutoffs are there. So if you are from different branches, so let us go by the latest cutoff, 24 cutoff. You can go by the 24 cutoff. So if you are into computer science, then 772, obviously high cutoff because computer science is very in demand in any of the IITs or NITs. Now coming to electronics also, it is quite high, but other branches it is quite low. You see mechanical, civil is quite low, right? I think some problem with this, just recheck them, okay, because general cutoff is less than EWS, so it is little some PC is there. You can recheck this. Okay, other specializations, these are the cutoffs you can see. Okay, so salary, if you are interested in placement after IIT Guwahati, very good placements are there. You can see the median salary, average salaries are all about 10 lakhs, some are even more than 20 lakhs, so that is very good. Next, let us come to your IIT Indore. IIT Indore is a very good IIT, okay, and these are the M.Tech programs in different departments, like in electrical there is communication and signal, then VLSI design and nanoelectronics, power systems and power electronics quite in demand. In mechanical we have advanced manufacturing, mechanical system design, thermal energy systems. Metallurgy there is material science and engineering and metallurgical engineering. Computer science we have computer science only in M.Tech. Okay. Civil we have structures, transportation and geotech, three very good branches. Okay, specialization in civil. And then chemical process design and intelligence. So there are tuition fees and all mentioned over here. And coming to the cutoff, you can see in communication and signal processing, the last year cutoff was 506. Computer science as usual it is quite high in any of the IITs. Then VLSI is almost 600 and other specializations are mentioned over here. So coming to the placement data. So placement, you can see the CTCs are quite high. If you see electrical, almost more than 30 is highest, and median is also very good, average is very good. So in computer science also you can see 36 lakhs is the maximum, and then median also above 20 lakhs. Okay, so it's quite good placements. So if you are opting for all the specializations, there is good chance that you will get a very good placements. Now coming to IIT Dharwad, which is in Karnataka. So the application opening date is 25th of March and closing date is 26th of April. So please fill the forms before the dates are over. Okay, so don't delay. Okay, so dates are very important. So if you are applying to different IITs or NITs, please make sure that you are applying before the closing date, otherwise you might miss the chance. Next, the programs available are computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, M.Tech in electrical, we can say M.Tech in communication, power electronics, microelectronics, mechanical, we have thermal, manufacturing, design. Okay, so all these specializations are there. So the fees details mentioned, you can always find this fees on internet or Google Gemini or somewhere you can find these things. Now coming to the cutoffs, so mechanical, computer science, you can see all are more than 500 cutoffs are there. So you have to score more than 500 cutoff to get into this all these specializations. So if you are getting more than 500, then 500, if your score is more than 500, there is very good chance that you might be getting all these IITs like IIT Dharwad, IIT Indore and IIT Guwahati. But your computer science cutoffs are little high, you see. Even in Dharwad also computer science cutoff is more than 600. Okay, and in mechanical and you can see electrical and all, it is more than 550 or 560. So you have to score an excess of you have to score excess of 600. Okay, placements are quite good, and if you want some more information, you can always join these groups to get more information. The telegram groups, individual telegram groups of civil, chemical, mechanical, CSIT, EEC and all. Okay, so now if we just summarize the whole thing, okay, now coming to all of them are very good IITs. So if you want to get into some specializations, then always you have a very good future over there. Now thing is, the important is the fees and all, you can always refer the internet, you can get the fees, that's secondary, but the important thing is the score you need. Okay, the score you need. So if you see in IIT Guwahati, the scores needed for computer science is quite high, but the other specialization you can get in around 600, you will get the other specializations. Computer science obviously it is quite high, more than 750 score. And coming to IIT Indore, here also computer science specialization, the score is quite high, but others you can get in 600 and some specialization you get in 500 also. The placements are quite good in IIT Indore. You can see the placements are very good. So you can choose IIT Indore if you are looking for placements. That's very good. Okay, even in IIT Guwahati also placements are good. And then coming to the cutoffs for IIT Dharwad, computer science it is more than 600, but other specializations you can get in excess of 550 or 560, and some specializations you can get in even 400 also. Okay, and the placement is little average but not bad. So you can always go for this. And for more such information, all these informations are available in this Telegram channel. So if you are from any particular branch, if you are from civil, chemical, CSIT, mechanical, or EEC or IN, you can individually join these groups so that you can get the required information. So many of you who might not have given GATE or are preparing for next year, they should have this in mind that if you are preparing for GATE, your first aim should be you should be targeting the top IITs and NITs, top IITs and ISC. You can target IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, yes, IIT Kharagpur, Kanpur, IIC Bangalore, NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, yes. But there are many other IITs which also have very good placements. Like we have very good placements in IIT Indore, and you saw in IIT Guwahati also. And therefore, if you have a low score, still you have a chance of getting into good placements and specializations. But your first target, if you are preparing for GATE, your first target should always be going for the top IITs. So if you are preparing for GATE, and this video is for both the candidates who are appearing for GATE or who have appeared for GATE. If you are appeared for GATE, you have got a score, you somehow couldn't score that high, but still you can get into some specializations. You have to see the placement statistics. So therefore we are conducting these sessions. And if you're interested in appearing next year, okay, if you're interested in appearing next year, so should target 80 plus marks in whatever branch you are. so that you can get the top score, and then by the top score you can go for your masters in the top IITs or NITs. That will be always better, but saying that doesn't mean that other IITs or they have no scope. They have also very good scope, but less compared to the top IITs, but yes, they have good scope. So if this year you want to do an M.Tech, so these are the options. Thank you very much.